So there are a lot of ways that you can make money on Facebook, but in this video I'm only going to focus on how you can use the Facebook marketplace to your advantage to make more money or to increase your clientele base for your business. All right, so if you, I'll assume that you already have a Facebook account. So I'm already logged in into my Facebook account. So if you come here where it says marketplace, you just double click here so that you can go to the marketplace. My network is a bit slow, so that's why it's taking a little bit longer. Okay, there we are. So now we are in the marketplace now. So if you scroll down, you'll see there are a lot of things that you can see that you can get here with very good prices. These will be the things that are being sold around you or in the places that are around your neighborhood. Okay, so you can also change the location. If you go where it says location here, you can just type in a location, and then if you say enter, it will change. Let's say if I just say Pretoria. So if I click here where it says Pretoria City, can you see that I'm now getting things that are in Pretoria? Okay, just a moment. And then can you see that I'm not getting things that are in Pretoria? So it all depends with where you stay. You just type in your location, and from there you'll be able to get everything that will be on sale near you. And then also you can change here where it says within 5 kilometers. So it depends with what you want. So if you only want a radius of 5 kilometers, you leave it like that way. Maybe when you want to broaden the radius or the area to get a larger area, you can choose maybe 100 kilometers. So there are a lot of options that this marketplace will give you. Okay, and then can you see that now I'm getting other places that are way out of Pretoria. For example, this is Johannesburg. Okay, so this is what you'll be seeing on the marketplace. Okay, so now let's go now to the reason for this video. I'm going to show you how you can also post your products on the marketplace so that you'll be able to reach to more clients. Okay, can you see that here I'm in another city, but I can see other things that are in Pretoria, which is about 1,500 kilometers away from where I am. So this is a very powerful tool in marketing, because nowadays if you look at the statistics that are there, about 60% of all the adults that we have today in the world are on Facebook. Meaning to say, if you can market your business on Facebook, you actually reach a lot of people for free. Okay, so when you want to sell something, you come here where it says sell something. You just click here where it says sell something, and then this page will come out. Let's just wait for it. My network's a little bit slow. Okay, so here you'll be having what are you selling, and then you also enter the price. You also enter the location, and then the category, and then the pictures. Okay, you can add up to a lot of. You can actually put a lot of pictures there. Okay, so I'll try to. I'll just upload one of my products. So let's say I've got we at our company we sell IT equipment. So I'll just choose let's market laptop coolers today. Okay, so laptop cooling pads, and then these ones they go for 199 rands, and then this is in Cape Town. Our company is based in Cape Town. In Cape Town. Okay, there should be a space here. Okay, let me retype Cape Town. Okay, so I'll just click here where it says Cape Town. So you can also find our company on Facebook. We've got a page that is Chiwa Tech, or you can go to drybones.co.za to get more of our information. All right, and then the category, this is IT. This is, you just scroll down there, and then you'll see that you find your required. Here it is electronics and computers. So there are a lot of categories that are there. So you just choose the one that best represents your company. All right, and then from there you go to describe your item. So this is optional, but obviously if you put a description to your product, you gain more customers. It's more or less like you are describing your item. You are sort of like selling. You're given an option to actually tell the customer, your potential customer, what to expect on that product that you'll be selling. So this is a very powerful tool. This is a very powerful platform that you can actually communicate to your customer regardless of the distance that will be between the two of you. Okay, so in this one I'll just put as just a very short description. So let me just say for cooling laptops. So this is just for the purpose of making this video, but otherwise you should put as much information as possible. which is relevant, because there's no need for you to write a composition about the things that will not help you to get that customer. So you should only write the things that will help you to sell that particular product. Okay, so the next thing now is to add pictures. So to add pictures, you go to photos. You go to photos, and then my photos are here, Chiwate products. So the my laptop cooling pad is this one. I'll just click on it. I'll just add one picture just to show you how to upload a picture. So there, you wait for it until it loads. So after it's done, it should show here. Okay, so can you see that it is showing here? So it means now that our work here is done. And then after that, you just go down where it says next. Then you click on next. All right, and then can you see here that it is giving a lot of options now. You can also post in other groups that you have joined. So you can add, you can click all the other groups that will be here. So what it means your advert will also be posted on all these other groups as well. So that is it's just one click, and then you will be increasing the people that will see your advert. So I'm only going to click one, because this product that I'm using here is already there on all of those groups. So I'll just choose one, and then now you click on publish, and then from there you just wait for it to be published. So it will take a few seconds. The Facebook team will just check if your product is in agreement with the terms and conditions that they expect. Okay, so you just have to wait, but otherwise on the other groups it will be published at that very moment. All right, and then you can also add, let's say maybe you just for like what I did, I just added one group only, and then later on we want to add more groups. You just come here where it says a list in more places. If you click here, a list of all the groups that you're in will come up, and then you just click on the groups that you want to share that product, and then you say post. All right, and then if you come back maybe after 2 or so minutes, you'll see that it will be posted here on the marketplace.